Here's our lot. And it ends where those other pipes are, pretty much. There are our pipes on the ground. But here we are. We have concrete.
Your lens is a little bit too high. Go ahead and point it downward a little bit, more straight. You're still in an upward angle.
Mm-mm.
That's right.
One more time.
Is that concrete? Is that concrete footer?
That's concrete footer. It looks like there's some...
Is it concrete block or is it
I
a
think it's a wood to make the frame.
wood frame? Gotcha.
Let's see what this looks like. There's that.
I don't want to get my feet wet. I mean,
And
dirty.
then
It's
look
some
that
really
away.
nice. All right. Our footers are in. Our backyard looks awesome already. They didn't have anything like this just 2 weeks ago.
Nope.
It was insane. I'm not sure what that deep thing is. Maybe it's a gas tank or something. I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, it was just a big field here 2 weeks ago, and now look at all the houses they built. It's insane. It'll be, you can hear it. Raining big old drops, that's for sure.
Yeah. The backyard's gonna look good.
Yeah, it is. Cool. All right, we'll see you in a couple of weeks.